Modern HVAC systems, especially air handling units, must consistently overcome significant static pressure resistance. The Longwell AC centrifugal fan is the stable core energy to meet this very challenge. Centrifugal fans are capable of generating high static pressure. This allows them to efficiently move air through the AHU filters, coils, and dampers, even with very altering conditions or system resistance. AC centrifugal fans provide stable and consistent airflow, ensuring precise temperature and humidity control. Leveraging time-tested AC motor technology and robust impeller design, we guarantee exceptional reliability and long-term, low-maintenance operation. Modern AC centrifugal fans utilize optimized coursing and impeller aerodynamic design to reduce energy losses, supporting sustainable building solutions. From large shopping centers to office towers, the AC centrifugal fan is the preferred choice for ensuring commercial comfort and air quality. In mission-critical facilities like hospitals, clean rooms, and industrial sites, their high pressure and high reliability are indispensable. Longwell focuses intentionally on centrifugal fan design and manufacturing, offering customized solutions for the specific demands of AHU applications. We offer a diverse product line of AC centrifugal fans backed by years of experience and technical expertise, meeting complex global customer requirements. Choosing high-performance AC centrifugal fans is not just equipment investment. It's an investment in long-term low operating costs and sustainability. Don't let unstable fans compress your entire HVAC system. High reliability is the ultimate value proposition. At Longwell technical team now to receive the full range of AC centrifugal fan technical specifications and selection servers, ensuring your AHU system runs efficiently. Longwell, born for high quality breathing, power your equipment.